Hi viewers, this is Anand Wilson, and today I want to discuss a few points on the Maruti Suzuki Ciaz. This car has completed 2 years and 30,000 kilometers, and it's still going very strong. We upgraded to Ciaz from a Maruti Suzuki Desire, and this car is a much better car in terms of space inside, comfort, the driving convenience, I would say, and the sound isolation. Because as compared to Desire, this is much sound protected. No much noise comes inside the cabin, and it keeps the passengers or the people very comfortable inside. And the wheelbase is also more the wider tire. Everything adds to that aspect. One thing which I want to mention is the ground clearance. You should not just go by the numbers, because there are other factors also influencing uh, the car, which is like the wheelbase. More the wheelbase, the more car is more prone to touching the ground. And even if the front bumpers, if it is protruding too much from the front set of tires, that will also scratch. You will have scratches on the front bumpers. So two things you have to keep in mind. Another good point with this car is the smart hybrid system. So Maruti currently gives the SHVS system in Ertiga, Ciaz, and S-Cross. Out of the three, Ciaz is the lightest car, so you should obviously expect much better performance on this than the other two cars. And I'll quickly give you a look inside the cabin at night when you switch on all the lights. This is, for me, it looks very nice and refreshing. The colors are also spot on. The beige and black combination is really good inside, but when you switch on the lights in the night, it gives a wonderful feeling and look. Now I'll continue with what I said on the weight part. The other two cars, Ertiga and S-Cross, weighs more than this car. On highways and plains, you may not make a lot of difference on the weight part, but especially when you are in slopes and on hill stations, then it makes a big difference. And overall, it's a nice car. It still looks very nice, and maintenance is also easy. And sometimes, since it's a new technology, you have to keep the car for service in the experienced hand. Not everybody will be experienced. So we had some service related issues, but we knew somebody for some time, and they corrected it. But be careful with the service things, because people can mess with that. But otherwise, everything is fine, and it's a really nice, good car, and good for family of five. Very comfortable.